This one now from United Arab Emirates. Oh, they don't bring new one enter Nigeria. They talk say United Arab Emirates flights for Nigeria for now. In fact, they don't ban the flight and they indefinitely. That means they never know when this flight go resume again. Hey, in fact, these Dubai people on a day confused. I think say recently, and I just announced and they don't open this flight. How be all of a sudden now on a stick on come outside they talk say now won't ban this thing. On they say these people and NEPA people they be the same thing. Before you go shout up, they don't offer. Now the case now be this one now again. No? Before they just announce this and say people don't even they jubilate say yeah, so they go travel go Dubai before we go here now. They don't close them again. On top of which reason now, what thing they really happen? But the whole matter they talk say the directives of the government, like say the things where the government they talk, they tally with their own. Now make these kind of things they happen. Say customers when they travel to Dubai from Lagos from now, in fact, on a trip, no go they accepted. So you where they carry yourself from Lagos, say you won't go Dubai, shishi, you are not going anywhere. You they did this Nigeria. You where they come up from Abuja say you they go Dubai and see that for that place they say all of us go there inside this Nigeria together. Nobody they go anywhere. And this whole new rule they bring them because of say why? They say in fact some people they complain say why be say Nigeria get bad luck like this? Say why be say every bad news are for Nigeria they start from? Making I don't worry you, this one not be only Nigeria affect because it even affect India and South Africa. If like say they look in because of the whole COVID case, now I make these people say they decide all these things. But what they really cause them? They talk say the presidential task force on COVID-19 now I refuse this thing or say because of waiting. Say people, I cannot say people, say Nigerians, they go carry COVID test, come say they no get COVID though. If they test them, they go tell them, say, yes, they don't get COVID. They will come show them this thing for airport. But immediately these people land Dubai, where they test them, case don't change. Results don't change to positive. Everything. I can't they want C419 inside airport, Nigeria people. See as na corner don't carry na lead to destruction. Now I make UAE flights now come talk say, no, this thing don't do too much. People will go do fake COVID results. Fake results, come put and say, they don't get COVID, in which they don't even do the test. They don't even test where they get COVID or where they don't even get COVID. They don't even test and they will just go borrow person own. Write their name, put on top, come go submit and say, now their own results be this. If they can't reach Dubai now, do the real test. Now they will come say, they get COVID-19. Now what make them these people self contact say no, this thing don't too much, they no fit accept them. And they talk say this flight, they even plan do 4 hours boarding test. That means before you even enter the flight, they go test you first. But if like our Nigerian government say no to accept that thing. Now make everything now come be like say wuru don't day between Dubai flight and Nigeria. But I beg this flight even they expensive. Now only these flights they go Dubai. Another flight no they because now so many people don't get stranded. You get some people that already book their flights down since. See how they won't travel. This is so deal. Now Nigeria people, and I don't come carrying a Unkoba person. They don't come block this air flight. Where people won't pass, they go travel. Because now they're gonna make people they come up from this country. Every day new law. People they say do COVID test, bring original results. But because of say 419, don't they inside everybody blood. If I talk and say every Nigerian will be scammers. We don't go believe. See and now, see what people they do. All in the name of say they won't enter this Dubai. This Dubai say we say go reach there one day, but I beg. Make na they go there legally. If they say bring this one, bring this one. Make na no go they carry another paper. We say later night so we come to fight, come to one kind katakata for everywhere. So with the looks of things right now, we never know when Dubai flights go even resume. Because this one now they add the English so indefinitely. They never know. They never know when this whole thing won't start. But if people where they do all this fake COVID, I feel say before these people they come out from Nigeria, these people where they check this result, on are supposed to know. If not, besides they also giving them money, they also bribe on. I should say on are supposed to know fake COVID test and original COVID test because this is supposed to come with stamp. So if person fake stamp, on I go talk say on I know they know. Abi, what's that why when they ask all this about Nigerian officials where they did for that site? Because me, I feel say that they settle them. If they don't settle them, on I no go cross out there now until they can't reach Dubai. Now they will come they do inspection. They will come say, when I get COVID. And if the matter don't overwork like this, why be say Dubai people they no decide okay for the airport make them they do this test by their own self. Make they quickly realize say now like this kind of thing be. Instead of they can't close this kind of thing now for good. Where be say nobody will come know. And they talk say make people go they reach out to their boarding people. That means the people who don't already board, where they go cancel the flight, oh, I bet they go change the date. Change the date to when? Who know when on I want resume duty? See as people now, Dubai people now, they do shakara for us. If Nigeria now talks, okay, we don't want to buy flight again, they go talk say people wicked. But when I start this first shakara now, first start this shakara now. So I just make I bring this one call for people where they travel. People where no people where want travel. Make I tell them now, say, for now, people where they go Dubai, no road for now. I don't know, be an inside Cotonou water now go pass. Anywhere when I want pass, make na sharp fine pass. But for Nigeria, nowhere. All of us they die inside this country. Now here we die there. They don't already tell us now. So making a reason now. Open ear, hear everything they happen inside Nigeria. Now this one I see, I want to make a bring and come, making a self using an ear here. Anything when I feel, making a don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Making a don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you now for the next video.